So we talked a little bit about what's working in your pantry and what's not and what your goals are. So what you told me is you're really happy with the size of the pantry. It's very big and you can walk in there. You like the big appliances on the top shelves because they're so bulky they would take up way too much room in your kitchen cabinets. And then what's not working is visibility. You feel like you can't really see what you have, so then you end up with expired food and wasted money. And you want to increase the visibility. And then also there's some items in here that you use pretty regularly that you'd rather have them in the kitchen cabinets, so you'd like to make space for them out here. So we're done. What do you think?
I think it's great. It was a
Good.
little overwhelming.
Right. It got worse before it got better?
It really did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have some good pictures that you could see how it was a little bit of a mess and a little bit of chaos while we're making it better.
Right.
So you wanted to make things more visible in the pantry. Do you feel like we accomplished that?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
And then you wanted to get some items that were in here, casserole dishes in particular, out into the kitchen because you use them more frequently, and you wanted to put them with other casserole dishes.
Right. I had certain things that were more baking related that needed to stay in here, but then other things that really needed to be more in the kitchen.
When we started this project, we couldn't get to the step stool, and now it's completely accessible because we have nothing on the floor. We've grouped together all the baking items, so now she can clearly see how much flour she has, how much sugar she has, so that when she goes shopping, she's less likely to make duplicate purchases and end up with expired food that gets thrown away. We put all the baking sheets and pans vertical to save space and to make it easier to get one single sheet out without having to lift the entire stack. Hi there, I'm Jamie Martin, and I've been a professional organizer for 20 years. If you have a room or an office that's stressing you out, call the Chicago Organizer today. We can guide you through the process to a less stressful and more organized life. We also offer pre-move services and unpacking and organizing. Check out our website for more information, tips, and inspiration photos, and also see our frequently asked questions page. And while you're there, sign up for our newsletter. Call us today at 331-217-4999.